Weather, 1. 1. It's an ugly day today.
I know. I think it may rain.
It's the middle of summer, it shouldn't rain today.
That would be weird.
Yeah, especially since it's 90 degrees outside.
I know, it would be horrible if it rained and it was hot outside.
Yes, it would be.
I really wish it wasn't so hot every day.
Me too. I can't wait until winter.
I like winter too, but sometimes it gets too cold.
I'd rather be cold than hot.
Me too.
2. It doesn't look very nice outside today.
You're right. I think it's going to rain later.
In the middle of the summer, it shouldn't be raining.
That wouldn't seem right.
Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird.
Exactly, it wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot.
I know, you're absolutely right.
I wish it would cool off one day.
That's how I feel, I want winter to come soon.
I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes.
I know what you mean, but I'd rather be cold than hot.
That's exactly how I feel.
3. I wish it was a nicer day today.
That is true. I hope it doesn't rain.
It wouldn't rain in the middle of the summer.
It wouldn't seem right if it started raining right now.
It would be weird if it started raining in 90-degree weather.
Any rain right now would be pointless.
That's right, it really would be.
I want it to cool down some.
I know what you mean, I can't wait until it's winter.
Winter is great. I wish it didn't get so cold sometimes though.
I would rather deal with the winter than the summer.
I feel the same way.
Weather, 2. 1. It's such a nice day.
Yes, it is.
It looks like it may rain soon.
Yes, and I hope that it does.
Why is that?
I really love how rain clears the air.
Me too. It always smells so fresh after it rains.
Yes, but I love the night air after it rains.
Really? Why is it?
Because you can see the stars perfectly.
I really hope it rains today.
Yeah, me too.
2. Isn't it a nice day?
It really is.
It seems that it may rain today.
Hopefully it will.
How come?
I like how clear the sky gets after it rains.
I feel the same way. It smells so good after it rains.
I especially love the night air when it rains.
Really? Why?
The stars look so much closer after it rains.
I really want it to rain today.
Yeah, so do I.
3. Don't you think it's nice out?
Yes, I think so too.
I think that it's going to rain.
I hope that it does rain.
You like the rain?
The sky looks so clean after it rains. I love it.
I understand. Rain does make it smell cleaner.
I love most how it is at night after it rains.
How come?
You can see the stars so much more clearly after it rains.
I would love for it to rain today.
I would too.